Connecting a USB drive to your Sharp Aquos TV.
Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we'll learn how to connect a USB drive to a Sharp Aquos TV. This process is surprisingly simple and can greatly expand the capabilities of your television. Whether you're watching movies, viewing photos, or listening to music, this guide has you covered.
What do you need?
Before we start, you need to have the following: a USB drive with your desired media files, your Sharp Aquos TV. Make sure your media files are in a format that your Sharp Aquos TV can support.
How to locate the USB port on your TV.
Locating the USB port on your TV is the first step. The USB ports are usually found on the back or side of the television, depending on the model. It should be clearly marked as USB.
How to connect the USB drive.
Once you've located the USB port, plug your USB drive into it. Make sure it fits snugly and is not loose. If it feels too tight or too loose, try another port or check the USB drive for any damage.
How to access the media files on your TV.
Now, to access the media files on your USB drive, 1. Turn on your Sharp Aquos TV if it's not already on. 2. Use the remote control to select the Input or Source button. 3. In the list of input sources, select USB or similar wording. After these steps, you should see your media files or folders displayed on the TV screen. You can now navigate through your files and folders, select the media file you want to view or play, and enjoy. And that's it. You've now successfully connected your USB drive to your Sharp Aquos TV. It's a simple and effective way to enjoy your favorite media. Remember to safely remove the USB drive when you're done to prevent any data corruption. We hope this guide was helpful. Thanks for watching.